This is the Unreal Magic Workshop. I'm Jonas Jost, professional magician and illusionist, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite ever cut and restored rope tricks. Let me get the magical cutter out of the drawer. Blue cutter, blue drawer. Now I also need a rope, magical henchman. Have we got a rope? Perfect. Yeah, okay. That's good. Stop. Thank you. One rope goes into the magical cutter like this. All it takes is one quick cut, and the rope has been cut in half. How cool is that? All it needs is a quick fix, and the rope is completely restored. And just to prove that there's no magnets hidden, henchman, you in there somewhere? Oh yes, perfect. Here, hold the rope, pull it hard. Yeah, see? Nice. Okay, all right. I know. They're impossible, these henchmen. Anyway, that is the cut and restored rope trick. This is the secret to the cut and restored rope mystery. You need one of these and one of these. Now when the rope goes inside, these two come together in one package. This little cutter does the job for you. If I do it quickly, it looks like this. So it looks quite cool, very fast. But if I do it slowly, you can actually see that the rope goes from here across there and there. And you can see that the machine actually has little extra rope bits inside it. So I'm going to take the rope out, and if I do it again, you'll see that the machine actually has little separate rope bits inside that have nothing to do with the main rope.